Hi everyone, welcome to HS001, Personal and Community Health. This is the look of our class on Blackboard, and I would like to go through a little bit of navigation about our course. Blackboard is laid out to where on the left side of the toolbar here are all kinds of tabs that I want you to become familiar with. The first one that I want you to look at is actually right here called Start Here. This is where I want you to start, and I want to make sure that everybody feels welcome. The second area I would like you to go to is called Announcements. In announcements, there's my little welcome area here. It shows a picture of my dog, a picture of myself, and it mentions a little bit about myself. So please take a look and become familiar with the announcements area. Also, announcements are going to probably be made every week, so make sure you check this tab every week. The next area is called Navigation. This is where I would like you to go, and this is where you actually are right now, is in the area where you're learning and you're watching about the navigation video. The next area is our contact information. This is by far probably one of the most important tabs that you can become familiar with. This is where you'll be able to find out information on how you can get in contact with me. This is my email address. This is where I'm located on campus. This here is my office number and my extension, and this is my cell phone number. So if you ever need to get in contact with me, please go ahead and hit the contact information button and you will be able to find the ways to get in contact with me. The next tab is the syllabus tab. This is where you'll find most information about the course. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. Go ahead and open it up so you can take a look at what the syllabus looks like. Here we are. I'm going to go ahead and expand this a little bit. This is where you're going to find information about the course. Again, contact information about myself. And this is very important. This is our textbook. I want you to make sure that you get the textbook because we will be using this extensively. The next area down is course policies and of course our communication policy. Please make sure you read this and feel free to go ahead and print the syllabus out. Hi, the next area is our plagiarism policy. Plagiarism is an issue at Copper Mountain College and in any program that is very serious. I'd like you to go ahead and read this. There is an APA guide that I have provided here to help you cite references. I want students to know that plagiarism, cheating, and copyright violations will not be tolerated in this course. It's always our suggestion that if you have a question, just come and ask us. We are always happy and willing to help you with any kind of writing and citing references issues. The next area and tab I'd like to talk about is our netiquette guidelines. Netiquette is kind of an interesting term. It deals with how we expect students and all of us to act and communicate in an online environment. It's important for us to know how we talk with each other, how we're going to write and talk in discussion boards, in chat rooms. In this syllabus here, I have listed 12 ground rules for online discussions. I'd like each of you to make sure you take a look at this and just really see what's important in how we talk and communicate within an online environment. I'm sure you all would like to know, so what is it that we need to do every week? Well, I have laid out the class and tabs in weekly tabs for you to look at. Each week will be laid out the same. For example, week 1, there are readings, there's an assignment tab, there's an assignment rubric. Week 1 happens to have how do you get an A. Then there are discussion board assignments. Almost every week that we are meeting, we are going to have a discussion board assignment. Then you'll have Did You Know? Did you know is an interesting area. This is an area that I will post additional information I would like you all to check out. Or maybe I heard of some community event that I would think it would be interesting that if you had an opportunity that you maybe could go to see what it was all about. This is that kind of area. The next area is additional resources. Sometimes I may find a link to a website that would pertain to a week's topic that I'd like you to check out. So every week we'll basically have the same thing. We'll have a reading section, an assignment section. Any kind of assignment will have a grading rubric, and we'll have a discussion, did you know, and additional resources. So every week you can kind of expect to see the same thing. Now the final area I'm sure you all will be interested in is the Grade Center. That is down here in the control panel, down in the Grade Center here. That's where you will be able to see when I post your grades. I hope this navigation video helped you out a little bit. Welcome again to the course, and again, if you need to get in contact with me, go ahead and hit this contact information area and feel free to call or stop by my office anytime. I'll see you all in class soon.